Hello, family and friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy to have you guys here. Please do join me in the road to 500 subscribers because when I win, you guys win too. Today, I'm not going to waste time. I want to get straight into the title or what the video is about. As you can see, the title of this video is how to get anyone to respect you. All of us want to be respected in society. We want to be respected by our family, our friends, and just anyone that we associate with. So let's get into the video. So let's get right into the video. Make sure you stick around until all the points have been said, because I'm pretty sure that these points are going to be so beneficial to you. I will never upload or spend my time on something that's not going to be beneficial to you. So to get into point number one, make sure that you are a person of your word. You've heard the saying that says, say what you mean and mean what you say. The last thing that you want is for people to not trust the things that you say because they know that you're not going to deliver. And this thing is a ripple effect. Once you know that you're not going to deliver on your words, it also dampens your confidence and it makes you not to respect yourself, and automatically other people are not going to respect you. So being a person of your word is absolutely essential if you want to gain respect amongst the people that you associate with. So point number two, you never want to gossip. I once read a quote that says successful people don't gossip, because this is what's going to happen if you gossip. The person that you were gossiping with is going to go and tell other people that you were gossiping, and they probably will also gossip about you. So never find yourself in those circles that gossip, because gossip is going to make you lose respect amongst people. I certainly hope that these points are beneficial to you. Let's get into point number three. Point number three is simply don't be a walkover. So if someone does something to you that you don't like, make sure that you stand your ground. I'm not saying always be confrontational or start unnecessary arguments, but if the boundaries have been crossed, make sure that you tell the person that person so and so, Sipos Busiso John, I don't like what you did. Because what's going to happen is that they're going to start respecting you and respecting what you stand for. So point number four is so important. Stand for something. You've heard the saying that says, if you don't stand for something, you're going to fall for everything. Because people who don't stand for something are always just taken by the wind. So if people know that you as Sipo, as Palesa stand for so and so, they know that they can't push you around. And be consistent in what you stand for. Find a cause that you're willing to endorse with all your life. In that case, people know that they can't come to you with things that contradict what you stand for. That is so essential. Stand for something. So point number five goes without saying. It's a little bit obvious, but if you want to be respected, make sure that you respect other people. You do know the saying that says, we do sow what we reap. So if you don't respect other people, generally people are not going to respect you as well. So make sure that that is what you are planting. You're planting respect and love to people. That's exactly what you are going to get back. Point number six is a very exciting one. Show confidence in everything that you do. Let me give you a bit of an example. If you're within a group of people and you're maybe narrating a story, you can't stand there and talk like this and say, guys, this is where I was, this is what was happening. But rather, if you show confidence in the story that you're telling, if you have some hand gestures, if you make eye contact, that will make people to respect you. So show confidence, even when you're telling a joke amongst people, even if they don't laugh, at least you have shown some confidence. Because if you just do things without confidence, people will pick it up and it will just show in the things that you do. Point number seven. So it's important for you to show intensity in all the things that you do, because you don't want to do things half-heartedly. Let me give an example. At work, show intensity in your work because people are going to respect you for your work ethic. Rather, don't do something if you know that you're going to be half-hearted, because when you do half-hearted things, people can see that and that will make you lose respect amongst people. So be intense, go all out when you're doing something, and then people will see that. So point number 8 might sound like a bit of a tricky one, but I'll explain it. This is how it goes. Be animated in the things that you do or the things that you say. It ties in with point number 6. Let me give you an example. If you're telling a story to a group of people, Let me give you scenario A and scenario B. This is scenario A, this is how it goes. I was walking the other day and there was someone. You see, people don't engage to that, and people are more likely to cut you off and be disinterested in what you're saying. But rather, scenario B, if this is how you do it. I was walking the other day with my friend, and we were having so much fun. Your eyebrows are engaged, your eyes, your hands, and you're smiling. That makes people to respect what you say and be more likely to listen to what you are saying. So it's very important for you to be animated, show emotion, do not be shy. So point number 9 might be a little bit of a difficult one for a lot of us. But point number 9 is make eye contact when you're talking to people, especially if you meet someone for the first time. Because, when you make eye contact, it makes you seem more confident. It makes you seem more trustworthy, So it's important for you to, when you shake someone's hand, look at them in the eye. When you're talking to someone, maintain that eye contact. It'll make you more believable. It'll make people to take what you're saying seriously. The fact that you guys are still here means that you're very serious about gaining respect in society. If you want more of such videos, make sure that you subscribe, you like this video, you comment anything that you might want to say, because I can promise you that more of such content is upcoming. So you want to be notified every time I upload such content that's going to be beneficial to your life. So point number 10, don't be scared to stand alone. So the mistake that we as people make is that we always want to feel accepted and we always want to move with the crowd, but that just might make you lose respect among people. Make sure that you're not scared to stand alone. If you disagree with a group of people, or if you disagree with what people are doing, don't be scared to be the one to say, hey guys, this is how I feel about what's happening right now, and I'm not going to stand for that. That will surely, gain a little bit of animosity initially, but as time goes, people will actually start to respect you because they'll see that they can take you seriously. I trust this video has been beneficial to you. Make sure that you share it with your friends, with your family, or anyone that you think this might be beneficial to. Walk this road with me to 500 subscribers, because it's going to be very beneficial to you, because the content that's upcoming is out of this world. Stay blessed.